Hello, SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management is a cloud service offering of the extension suite with its capabilities to digitize business processes through low-code, no-code workflow, automate business processes, manage decision logic, gain end-to-end visibility on live running processes. It also provides a single view of all the tasks using My Inbox solution. SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management integrates well with SAP and non-SAP applications via SAP's Cloud Platform integration. It is also tightly integrated with SAP's intelligent robotic process automation to automate unstructured tasks like reading an attached invoice, login to third-party system, etc. It also integrates with conversational AI, the chatbot building platform, with which you can easily integrate and build enterprise ready chatbots to elevate the productivity of your end users. SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management content can be published on SAP's API Business Hub and can be leveraged from the Process Flexibility Cockpit by the business expert user. So, it helps customers do more with less, ensure compliance, and flexibly adapt to new business requirements, fix the broken processes for business resilience. Now, let's take a closer look at one such live content package, visibility on account receivables. Account receivable balances are considered as an asset for any business because it is the amount the vendors own to receive for the goods or services provided to their customers on credit. The most important part of the accounts receivable process is to create the invoice promptly. The longer it takes you to invoice your customer, the longer it will take to receive the payment. So basically, this process can be summarized into three key steps: creating an invoice and sending it to your customer, periodic review of the accounts receivable report, and sending reminders to customers for invoices running due. And the final step is to ensure that you as a vendor get paid for the services and products that you have provided, and then to mark those in your books accordingly. So, for a company to gain substantial benefits like increased cash flow, higher credit sales margin, reduced bad debt loss, etc., it effectively needs to manage its account receivables. But then there could be challenges like limited visibility into debt management practices, finding out the trends, and determining level of contribution of various customers in the account receivables process. Eventually, all these leading to delay in receiving overdue payments and of course impacting one of the very important KPIs, days sales outstanding in the accounts receivable process. Let's now understand how these challenges are addressed with the process workspace capability by diving straight into the demo. Here, you can see the potential performance indicators which can help a business user gain deeper insights into some very important KPIs in the field of account receivables, like invoice clearance accuracy, the number of invoices that were created accurately, and then the number of invoices were cancelled because they were not accurate. Another very important KPI in the world of account receivables is the days sales outstanding, which is the average number of days a company takes to collect cash after a sale has been made. So you see, the days sales outstanding was not so good in the first 2 months, but then started improving henceforth. Another very interesting KPI to note here are the open invoices. How many invoices are still open and running critical or at risk, which might call for an attention? So let's dive deep into these and take a closer look. So here you see the list of critical invoices for which overdue notice has not been sent yet to the customer. Let's take a deeper dive into one such customer, PAQ Deutschland. So you can see details like the phases involved in the process, right from creation of invoice to the payment, the path the invoice goes through, and if any action triggered recorded in the action log. What's alarming to note here is the invoice payment is already overdue, cycle time has exceeded unreasonably, and yet no overdue notice has been sent, which clearly indicates call for an action, maybe from the account receivables team. So once the business user triggers the action gets recorded in the action log, and this triggers a task, say for the persona accounts receivable manager in his inbox. So the accounts receivable manager gets notified via a task in his inbox, and then he suggests a mitigation plan around this overdue invoice running critical. So it could be like coming up with an automation plan to automate the process and hence to speed up, improving billing, sending invoices on time, offering a wide range of payment methods to his customers, and giving incentives to motivate them to make early payments, and so on. So once he's confident about the mitigation plan, he sends for review to the next level by setting the task to complete. In this demo, to avoid switching between users, we are using the same user as reviewer. So once the reviewer receives the task in his inbox, he goes through the proposed mitigation plan, and if the action plan sounds promising, he can accept or else reject. So you see how a business expert user can gain visibility on the live process and can also take appropriate actions from within the generated insights. Now let's see how can we discover and consume the visibility capabilities of this live content package account receivables. In the SAP API Business Hub, you will now find the new content for workflow management. You see already today that there are live contents published, and one of these packages is for visibility on account receivables. Upon provisioning or subscription of SAP's cloud platform workflow management in your tenant, you can consume this package via Process Flexibility Cockpit. You can discover the package connecting to the API Business Hub, where all the packages are listed. You can take a deeper look on the package visibility on accounts receivable. You can understand the offerings of the package, the configuration guide, the artifacts, and also you can go through the potential performance indicators that are offered as part of this live content package. So once you are convinced, you can import it into your environment. After the import, you as a line of business user can configure the visibility scenario to get live dashboard out of the box based on business needs. The package Visibility on Account Receivables comes with a pre-configured visibility scenario and potential performance indicators. Now that we know this and have imported it into our environment, let's step in to see what the visibility scenario is all about. So here you see all events and contexts that represent complete cycle of account receivables right from invoice creation to receiving payments. You, as a line of business user, can also define the states indicating when the process should be marked as completed or abruptly ended. Next, you can define status that help classify if the invoice payment is in critical or at risk. So, if the process is running critical or at risk, then it might call for an action. As we just saw in our demo where an escalation workflow was triggered. So basically, user can choose between triggering an SAP's cloud platform workflow or can navigate to any application. He can do the necessary settings, set the filter conditions on which the action should display, and so on. Finally, the line of business user can explore the available potential indicators, can modify these, can give different visualizations to them like bar chart, donut chart, column chart, etc. He can also set the measures and dimensions, filters, and so on. So basically, you as a business user can modify or adapt the performance indicators to suit your business requirements. So, this is how the live content package of visibility and account receivables can help a business user to get complete end-to-end insights and also convert these insights into actions. That was a deep dive into visibility scenario of account receivables. You can discover more such live process content packages on api.sap.com. Thank you.